Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here today and we're gonna slay. Like, I don't know, I'm not quite sure what look I'm gonna like come up with, but you know what, we're always gonna come up with something fabulous. So if you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
Vibe is massive, it's supernatural. Keep it factual, you know you're maxing back. Look at the way they...
Okay, I think I'm gonna play with these two palettes from Makeup by Yolondo. So we're gonna play with these two today. This is Unpredicted, oh, Unexpected and Upward. So we're up unexpectedly going upward. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go in with this shade first. And unfortunately, there are no names on the shade, so we're just gonna go for it. No names. And this is a white 17, and we're gonna go into that dark shade. And that's a 217 brush. Yep, that is a pretty shade. I love it. Love it. When I get to the edges, I'm just kind of blending up the edges because I do want it to be nice and blended. Now we're gonna go, I think I'm gonna go into this shade and then this shade. But this is a T83, and then we're gonna go into that first green shade or that second green shade, and then just tap it here. And now I'm gonna go in the 204, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here, this shade, and we just gonna kind of just use that to buff up our edges to make sure, you know, they look good. But my lid was so dry, I had to moisturize before I apply. And I know some people don't like to do that because their lids get real kind of, how would I put that, greasy. But I don't really have the problem, so. It is winter time and my skin is just doing what it wants to do. So now this looks kind of sharp. So now I still need to go back in with this brush and just tap it. It's like tap and flick to get that desired blend in, because you really don't want it to look messy, you know. I'm just like so happy I have so many brushes that are clean. This is a T13 from Morphe, and I'll put this right here. And this is this shade. I don't know how I feel about this shade yet, because I feel like it's not really, it's maybe a little bit too dark for what I wanted it, but it's fine. I like to do these looks because, in my opinion, these are very easy and anybody can do this. Like, you don't have to be super talented, you know, in the makeup field to be able to do this. And that's kind of like the type of videos that I really want to do, because most people don't know how to like sit there and blend all these colors together. But I've been putting like all kind of colors together, guys. Like I don't overthink it. Like I don't overthink it. So I am gonna go out of this and I'm gonna go into Unexpected. I really just want one shade in Unexpected, to be honest with you. I want this shade, but I'm gonna put this down first, like a base. this. So this is kind of a shimmer. Actually, it's not kind of a shimmer, it is a shimmer. I need it to have a little bit more oomph. I do. So, and now I'm putting that glitter over top. Love this. And now I need a little bit more green though. And I'm really just getting the more green so I can just blend this a little bit more. Like right here. Okay, so that's it for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back. Eyes are done, and I love it. I love the look. I love how it came out. So now we're gonna jump into the face. I've already moisturized and primed, and today I'm gonna go ahead and use my Nars Soft Matte Complete Foundation. I'm hoping for something that's gonna, you know, really stay on all day, because you know, this is the second time I'm dropping my stuff whenever I'm about to record. Yesterday I dropped my contour brush on my skin, on my shirt, sorry, and then it was just like a mess. What just happened? Oh, I guess it's still recording. Sometimes my computer, oh sorry, not my computer, my TV screen like flickers. Sometimes it goes off and I'm just like, I wasn't recording, like I'm going crazy, but seems to be still doing good. Okay, so that's the base. I'm gonna go ahead and use my ABH concealer. And we're gonna go ahead and use my Mario contour stick. And we're gonna use this. This is a E4 to blend that out. And that's from Morphe. His stuff blends so well. Like it doesn't stay. See how easy this blends? Like it's not. These are just, I think I'm recommending this because these are options I think for, you know, everyday person that wants to do contour, but because this can be it can be a lot if you have a contour that doesn't blend, or you end up with a mess. But this is not it. My husband made me my sparkling water today. He's so sweet, from Soda Stream. So I have blackberries and lemon. So good, so good. And I'm gonna use my slick brush from Makeup by Yolondo to blend this my concealer out. So I think this is a really good concealer, guys. Like, don't leave it too long because I feel like it can be a little bit drying, but I love it. And especially if you have dry skin, maybe you don't want to leave it, because I leave it on, because when I leave it on it gives me like a little bit more coverage. And it's not like this doesn't have a lot of coverage, it's just you get that little extra, you know, that extra oomph. And then I'm gonna take my powder brush and I'm just gonna like dab this everywhere to just kind of, well, not everywhere, but where there's like kind of a separation, so everything just looks nice and blended. Now we're gonna jump into the face. I'm gonna use this powder right here. This is from, It's actually a sample from Bare Minerals, but it's the Mineral Veil. And I love this. And I'm just putting this everywhere I put my concealer. So that is that. Now we're gonna jump into the face. I'm gonna use my same brush that I used to like kind of just blend everything together. I'm gonna try this powder. This is what, Kalahari from Juvia's Place. I don't know, I didn't like this powder for under my face because I feel like it was too yellow, but I feel like it will be fine for the rest of my face. Okay, now we're gonna put that down and we're gonna jump into the on the eye. Let's do that real quick. I like how I make this like take forever, but we're gonna leave this kind of marinate and dry up for a bit, and let us jump into getting this, you know, face. We're gonna put some color and some, you know, some definition. I used my Minted yesterday, so I'm gonna go back and use it today. So first we're gonna go into the lightest shade, which is not this one. We're gonna go into the light shade, which is called Beach Bum, and we're gonna put this all over. This is bronzer. It's so pretty. And if you like a little bit light, if you like not a little bit, but if you're lighter than me, you can use it as a contour. But if I don't know, if you're darker than me, might be a little bit light for you. But and now I'm gonna go into the darker shade, which is Vacay, and I'm gonna put it on my Alleyoop brush. Okay, and then we're gonna do a little bit of blush, and then I'm gonna use my Sweet Blush Trio Chicks from Shein. So we're gonna go into this. So for this, I'm just only gonna use these two shades, and this is a 213 brush from Morphe. I'm using that same brush. This is so good. My husband is the best. Okay, let's dust that off. Let's dust this off. What do I put in my waterline? I'm actually gonna put this. This is Whirlpool, and this is from Marc Jacobs. Actually, I'm gonna use my gold bar from Natasha Denona, and I'm just gonna mix these two shades, and I'm just gonna put it right here. Kind of more of a subtle highlight, which is fine. Sometimes, you know, sometimes we need subtle. I don't necessarily know the meaning of that, but sometimes we should exercise that. And let me go to the lip. This is 17 Mauve from Estee Lauder. It has seen better days. What are we gonna do? Oh, actually, I'm gonna use this. This is from Nabla. Okay, and let us dust off that powder. And let us use our Scandinavia. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. I had fun creating this nice soft look. So you know, if you like this type of videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.